Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a digital handout, and I'll go through really quickly. So you want to go to New, Create Document, and Create and Share. So if this is in one of your shared folders, you don't have to share it again. It'll be shared. So I want to call this the yellow wallpaper reading and questions. Okay, so from here I'm going to put a link to the reading. I don't have the reading yet, so I just typed in the yellow wallpaper. I'm going to type the yellow wallpaper PDF, and this comes up. I'm going to copy this link, Control C. I'm going to go back to my document and then press Control K, and now the students have the reading. Also, if whatever you type the first sentence and you hit Untitled Document, it's going to title the document the same as the first line. So, question number one. Shoot. Question number one, who wrote the, these are dumb questions, but I'm just giving you an idea of who wrote the yellow wallpaper, and I'm an English major, so I have to put this in quotation marks. And what I like to do, and this took me a while to figure out, but I like to give students space to work, so then I just go to Insert, Table, One by One Box, and then I'll just copy this, and then whatever questions come next, number two. Who was the main character? These are dumb questions again, but I'm just giving you that. I'm just going to hit Control V. Number three, did you like the story? Explain. Number four, what questions do you have? I don't have one. Is not acceptable. So if you know what questions you want to ask, it's going to be quite simple. So, if you want to, dress it up a little bit, over here, I like this drawing. I'm going to press Control Copy Image. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to drop that in here, and I want to use this option here where it's wraps around the text, and then I can change the size of these boxes. Well, I'll just leave it like that actually, and then here, directions, read the story and answer the questions. Turn into, you could say turn into Schoology. So if you know your questions, it's going to be pretty simple to do. I'll bold that. If you want to dress this up even more, if you go to File, Page Setup, and choose Page Color. So the story is the yellow wallpaper, so if we have a yellow background, it'll look like that. And if you want this to be white, you're going to choose White Fill, and then I want to copy this, and then so that's pretty much it. And then again, if you want to make this a bit link, this is the bit.ly extension. I can call this yellow wallpaper questions, and then it'd create a bit link, and you could share it that way. And so this is pretty much how I create electronic handouts for students. Hopefully that's helpful. Obviously, you could dress it up how you want, whatever format you want, but wanted to share that with you.